ॐ चैतन्यं सर्वगं सर्वं सर्वभूतगुहाशयं यत्सर्वविषयातीतं तस्मै सर्वविदे नमः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। 19th chapter, 4th shloka. षडूर्मिमालाभ्यतिवृत्त एव यः स एव चात्मा जगतश्च न श्रुतेः प्रमाणतश्चापि मया प्रवेद्यते मुदैव तस्माच्च मनस्तवेहितम्. We have already chanted this last time. यः षडूर्मिमाला व्यतिवृत्तः एव सः एव च जगतः आत्मा नश्च श्रुतेः प्रमाणतश्चापि मया प्रवेद्यते तस्मात् हे मनः तवेहितं मुदैव. यह आत्मा षडूर्मिमाला व्यतिवृत्त एव, that which is beyond the constant stream of the 6 waves of sorrows. That which is beyond these, and that is the self of this creation as well as all of us. Naha. How do you know? Shrutehe, Shruti Pramanyat. And Pramanataha means through Yukti also. Maya Pravedyate. Vedyate means it is known. Pravedyate, Nyayate. Therefore, O mind, all your chesta, all your activities, desires, they are of no use. Mudhayega. What are the 6 constant waves? They are said. Ashanaya Pipasa, Shoko Moho Jara Mrityuriti, Pran Mano Deha Dharma. Ashana Pipasa, they are Prana Dharma. Shoka Moha Mano Dharma. Jara Mrityu Deha Dharma. Shadurmayaha, these are the 6 Urmi. Urmi means the waves. Taranga. Iva Avirbhava Tirobhava Rupas. Tesham Mala. Mala means Avichinna Parampara. Constant, like how the waves are in ocean, they are constant, there is no end to it. Avichinna Parampara. Taha Abhyatitya. Abhyativrutta is given. Abhyatitya Sarvatmana Prithakritya Vrittaha Siddhaha. Abhyati means Abhyatitya. Sarvatmana Prithakritya. That self is different from this Deha, Prana, Mana and their dharmas. Prithakritya Vrittaha. Vrittaha Siddhaha. Nishprapanchaha iti ava. It is Nishprapancha. In this way it is known. Yaha evam vidaha saha eva jagataha sarvasya atma. The one which is known in this way, that alone is the self of entire jagat and everybody. Chakarat tava अहम एव आत्मा. चकारात तव आत्मा अहमेव. In this way it is given. Jagatah च. Naha. Naha means अस्माकम, our आत्मा. श्रुते है, श्रुति प्रमाणम. यत् साक्षाद अपरोक्षाद ब्रह्म य आत्मा सर्वांतरः. So that which is साक्षाद अपरोक्षाद ब्रह्म, this was said in बृहदारण्यक 341-351. य आत्मा सर्वांतरः. साक्षाद अपरोक्षाद ब्रह्म means Brahma which is अपरोक्ष and it is the self of everything. य आत्मा सर्वांतरः. इत्यादौ श्रवणाद इत्यर्थः. स्मृति is also there. अहमात्मा गुडाकेश सर्वभूताश्रय स्थिता इत्यादि स्मृति प्रमाणतो अपि. Smriti is also pramanam in this. So Paramatma is the self of all. Chakarat karya karanopadi dvaya paramarsamantarena swato bheda nirupanat ityadi nyayat vidvad anubhavacha maya pravedyate samyak jnayate mudhaiva iti sugamam. Chakarat karya karanopadi dvaya paramarsamantarena. Without karya upadhi and karana upadhi, paramarsham antarena swato bheda anirupanat. In Atma, there are no bhedas. When you add upadhi, then because of upadhi, you can see bheda. Ityadi nyayat. So this is the pramana. Pramanatascha, what is said, this is the yukti. Or you can say pramana as smriti pramana also, and then yukti pramana. Maya pravedyate. In this way, I understand. Pravedyate. So, Vidvad Anubhava is also there. I also understand in this way. Samyak jnayate. Therefore, Mudhaiva tasmacha manas tavehitam. He says it is Sugama. Therefore, O mind, all your activities are of no use. Who can say this? Person who is able to separate himself from his mind and is not expecting any fulfillment from the world. That person can say this. This chapter is to strengthen Jnana Nishtha. So, I have already done Shravanam, Mananam, some Nididhyasanam is going on, but mind is the problem, not the world. Mind. That mind should be taught in this way. This is the chapter for that. Pratyagatmanah Paramatma Abhedam Pramanikam Uktva. भेद प्रतिभासस्य मनः कल्पितत्वेन आभासताम उपपादयति. प्रत्यगात्मनः परमात्म अभेदम प्रामाणिकम. Pratyagatma is not different from Paramatma. This is Siddha based on Pramana. Pramanikam, Abhedam, Uktva. भेद प्रतिभासस्य मनः कल्पितत्वेन आभासताम उपपादयति. भेद प्रतिभासस्य मनः कल्पितत्वम. भेद प्रतिभास is mind's creation. Mind is projecting bheda. Mind is responsible for it. मनः कल्पितत्वेन आभासताम् उपपादयति. So that भेद has आभासता. भेद is because of mind. त्वयि प्रशान्ते नहि चास्ति भेदधीर यतो जगन्मोहमुपैति मायया ग्रहो हि माया प्रभवस्य कारणम् ग्रहाद् विमोके न हि सास्ति कस्यचित् त्वयि प्रशान्ते नहि चास्ति भेदधीर यतो जगन्मोहमुपैति मायया ग्रहो हि माया प्रभवस्य कारणम् ग्रहाद् विमोके न हि सास्ति कस्यचित्. त्वयि प्रशान्ते, हे मनः, त्वयि प्रशान्ते भेदधीर नहीं अस्ति. यतः यतः त्वयि प्रशान्ते अस्ति. जगन् मायया मोहम् उपैति. ग्रहो हि माया प्रभवस्य कारणम् ग्रहाद् विमोके नहीं कस्यचित् स अस्ति. स मीन्स ग्रह, नो, सा अस्ति. सा भेदधीः, सा भेदधीः ग्रहाद् विमोके नास्ति. So त्वयि प्रशान्ते, O mind, when you are not there, when you go to sleep, then there is no bheda buddhi. When mind is, bheda buddhi is. When mind is not, bheda buddhi is not. Because of this maya, we forget this fact. We forget that mind is responsible for all the problems. Maya jagan moham upaiti. Graho means bheda graha. Bheda graha is maya prabhava. It's because of maya or because of mind. माया प्रभवस्य कारणम ग्रहः ग्रहाद् विमोके नहि सा भेदधीः कस्यचित् अस्ति. So here he has said Maya prabhavasya karanam graha. Graha means bhed buddhi. Bhed buddhi is responsible for Maya. It is a secondary statement. Okay, it is a gauna. Means the mukhya meaning of Maya is avidya. That produces a bhed buddhi, graha. Because of that, I get attached to world. I get attached to people. I have raga dvesha. That aspect of Maya is karya of Bheda Buddhi. Yato Bheda Dhiyo Jagat Prani Jata Moham Akuli Bhavam Akritarthata Abhimana Lakshanaya Maya Upaiti Nityam Sampadyate. Yato, since Bheda Dhiya, the Bheda Buddhi, Jagat Prani Jata Moham Akuli Bhavam, Jagat Prani Samuha gets deluded. Moham. Moham means akuli bhavam. They are always agitated, always disturbed, always there is a problem. Like they have to carry the burden of the whole universe. And akrita, I have to go there. Akratatata, abhimana lakshanaya, maya upaiti, because of the serious, strong identification with body. Maya upaiti, nityam sambhadyate. All the time they have this akuli bhava, akratarthata, abhiman, all of them. Sa vedadhi tvai manasi prashante na cha asti. This veda jnanam, akuli bhava, etc. None of them are there when mind is prashant in sushupti or in samadhi avastha. Sushuptau twadabhave tadabhava darshanadityartha. In sushupti, when mind is not, all of these problems are not. Anvaya vyatirekabhyam veda grahasya anartha hetutam upapadayati. Through Anvaya and Vyatireka, Veda Graha is Anartha Hetu. All problems arise from duality. So, Veda Grahasya Anartha Hetuta. Veda Graho
Anartha hetu.
Anartha Hetu. Upapadayati Graho. So, here you have to remember, here Maya Shabda means Raga Dvesha entanglement. Here Maya is not Trigunatmika and Brahmashraya. That Maya you don't take here. सुषुप्त्यादौ भेद ग्रह अभावे माया मोहयोर अदर्शनादित्यर्थ. Maya रूपी मोह, this kind of delusion is not there in sushupti when bheda graha is also not there. Itasya manaschestitam vritha ityarth. For this reason also, what is manah chestitam, what is thought by this mind is all vritha. I am not elaborating on each shloka because some of this we have seen in meditation. Some of the elaboration we saw earlier in chapter 8. And like in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sar Sangra also we just covered. In Drishti Srishtivada and Ekajivvada also similar ideas are discussed. And this much explanation I think is enough. Namesti mohastava cheshtite nahi प्रबुद्ध तत्त्वस्त्वसितो ह्यविक्रियः न पूर्वतत्त्वोत्तरभेदताहिनो वृथैव तस्माच्च मनस्तवेहितम् न मेऽस्ति मोहस्तव चेष्टिते नहि प्रबुद्ध तत्त्वस्त्वसितो ह्यविक्रियः न पूर्वतत्त्वोत्तरभेदताहिनो वृथैव तस्माच्च मनस्तवेहितम्. Again, हे मनः तव चेष्टितेन मे मोहो न अस्ति. हि यस्मात् अहम प्रबुद्ध तत्त्वः तु असितो हि अविक्रियः न पूर्व तत्त्वोत्तर भेदताहिनो वृथैव तस्माच्च तव ईहितम्. ये मनः came in the beginning itself. O mind, I will not get deluded by your activities. Tava chestitena me moho nasti. Why? I am Prabuddha Tattva. I have realized I am the self, I am Brahma. Actually, when they say self-realization, in English they translate as self-realization. Actually, it is Brahma realization. Can you hear me?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji. Yes, Swamiji.
It is Brahma realization. It is not self only means Atma, myself. But you have to know that self as Brahma. That is for the whole Vedanta teaching. Asito. Asito nahi sajyate. Asango nahi sajyate. अगृह्यो नहीं गृह्यते अशीर्यो नहीं शीर्यते असंगो नहीं सज्जते असितो न व्यथते न रिष्यति. सो असितो बंधरहितः अविक्रियः अहमस्मि. न पूर्व तत्व उत्तर भेदता. And in me Purva and Uttar Bhedata are not there. Means before Jnanam also I was Atma, after Jnanam also I am Atma. Before Jnanam I was Brahma, after Jnanam I am Brahma. I was ever Brahma. What about your liberation? I was Nitya Mukta. So in me there is no difference. Before Jnanam, after Jnanam. This is the greatness of Jnana Yoga. Those who don't understand this, they think earlier it was different, now it is different. Atma is same. What was different and now what is different is other things. Mind could be purified, means mind will be purified, not could be, definitely will be purified. And some old habits may go away, some good qualities may emerge. Those things will be there. But that is all at Anatma level. Atma is same. Atma is changeless. So, na purva tattva uttara bhedata. We will see in the Tika. Na purva tattva na uttar bhedata. In this way we have read. Vrithaiva tasmat manas tavehitam. Therefore, tava ihitam mruthaiva. No here is given noha asmakam. Asmakam purva kale uttar kale bhedata na. Tika asito bandharahita. I am free from bondage. Prabuddha tattva swabhava asi tattvam avikriyatvam cha vitpadayati. Sorry. Prabuddha tattva swabhavam asi tattvam. This asita shabda he has given as asitatva. Avikriyatvam he explains now. What is the avikaritvam? Purva tattvam purvavastha. Purva tattvad uttar bhedata. Uttar kale tattva bhedata. No means asmakam nasti. What was there in me before jnanam, after jnanam, I am same. Tattva bodhat purva uttar kalayoho na me vishesho asti. You know, they always have this before exercises, after exercise, they will show difference. Before hair transplant, after hair transplant. Atma, before Brahma Jnanam, after Brahma Jnanam. If at all you can take picture of Atma. You can take picture of person. Person, what is, it will be all Annamaya, Pranamaya. Outside our Kailash ashram gate, there is a picture of Brahmachari, means not picture, a statue of Brahmachari and a statue of Guru. Guru has big belly. Brahmachari has flat stomach. Everything else is same. They both have kamandalu, and Guru doesn't have. Shishya has probably some jata. Guru is losing hair. So those kind of differences you can see, but Atma, there is no difference. He, yasmat, since this is the case, evam tasmat, tvatkrita atishaya abhavaditya. You are not able to cause any atishaya. Means you are not making me superior in any way. Even though world sees everything only through mind. If a person, let's say there are two Mahatmas, both are realized. But if there is one Mahatma who shouts at people and makes sure everybody goes away from him, and the other Mahatma is very compassionate, loving, he'll allow people to sit, talk, etc., etc. Then people think, oh, this Mahatma is very good. Oh, this Mahatma is good because the mind you are seeing. Atma is same, Brahma, both are Brahma Swarupa. There is no difference. And other things also, this is just one example. One Mahatma could be more sitting like in jungle or cave or in such setup. Another might be in some palatial setup. Both are Mahatma. This is for Anatma. That is even beyond Panchakosha, Anatma. So those differences, they don't matter. सर्वदृश्य अतिवर्तित्वाच्च आत्मनः आगंतुक अतिशया योगम साधयति. सर्वदृश्य अतिवर्तित्वात्, आत्म तत्व is सर्वदृश्य अतिवर्ती, is beyond all drishya, and therefore there is no possibility of agantuka atishaya. Atishaya means any exaltation, any addition of superiorness, anything new added for it to become superior. That agantuka atishaya is not there. Why? Because it is already beyond everything, untouched by anything. Yatascha nityo hamato na chanyatha vikara yoge hi bhaveda nityata sada prabhato hamato hi chadvayo vikalpitam chapyasadityavasthitam. यतश्च नित्यो हमतो न चान्यथा विकार योगे हि भवेद नित्यता सदा प्रभातो हमतो हि चाद्वयो विकल्पितं चाप्यसदित्यवस्थितं. यतश्च, for this reason also, aham nityah, ato न च अन्यथा विकार योगे ही मम अनित्यता भवेत्। सदा प्रभातः अहम् अतो हि च अद्वयः विकल्पितं च अपि असद् इव असद् इति अवस्थितम्। Since I am Nitya, therefore, ato aham anyatha vikar yogi, because of some other modifications in something else, I don't become anitya. I am ever Chaitanya Swarupa, Sada Prabhataha. Sakrit Vibhatam, what was said, is here, Sada Prabhataha. Aham, Ataha, therefore, I am non-dual. Why I am non-dual? Because anything else which is Vikalpitam is Asad iti avasthitam, is all Asad. Anyatha, anyatha, anityata. Nacha anyatha vikar yoga. Because of association with anitya vastu. Then a thing can become anitya, but I don't have that association. Nanu kuto anityata praptir ya nishidyate tatraha. Why anityata prapti nishidyate? विकार योगे ही भवेद अनित्यता। परिस्पंद परिणामादि रूप विक्रिया भावे, when there is no परिस्पंद, there is no parinama, etc. So no modifications. प्रकाश अप्रकाश संसर्ग रूप विक्रिया स्यात् इत्याशंक्या. Somebody says okay. Parispandana means movement. Parinama, modification. Let's say such vikriyas are not there. But association with some prakasha, some aprakasha, that sansarga rupa vikriya can be there. Ityashankyaha sada prabhato aham. I am sakrit vibhato hiyevaisha brahmalokaha. This is Chandogya Upanishad 842. Actually, this quotation is for Upasana Prakaran, but Brahma is of this nature, Sakrit Vibhato. And Vai Tanna Pashyan Vai Tanna Pashyati. The quotation is, this is 4.3.23. Radharani. And 4.7. It actually main Brahma Vidya portion is there. Sati Drishya Bhede Katham Advayatvam Ata. A Drishya Bhed is seen, how there can be Advayatvam, somebody says. It is said, Vikalpitam is all Asad. Rajju Sarpadivat Agantukatvat Asad iti avasthitam nishchitam ityartha. It is all Rajju Sarpadivat Agantuka only. Manasaiva sadvitiyatvam atmanaha ityashankya. Manasa eva sadvitiyatvam. By mind alone, there is sadvitiyatvam. Abhavarupam tvamasi he mano nirikshamane nahi yuktito stita sato hyanashad asato pyajanmato द्वयं च चेतस्तव नास्ति तेष्यते अभावरूपं तं त्वमसि हे मनो निरीक्ष्यमाणेन हि युक्तितो स्थिता सतो ह्यनाशादसतोऽप्यजन्मतो द्वयं च चेतस्तव नास्ति तेष्यते ओ चेतः ओ माइंड you are abhava rupam tvamasi he mana you are abhava rupa only nirishyamane yuktitah tava astita nasti. If somebody examines properly, your existence is not there. You are non-existent. Why? Sato hi anashad astita. Sadvastu, because of no nash, has astita. Asato api ajanmato na astita. In this way, you are doing it. Asadvastu, because it doesn't have janma. Therefore, there is no existence. Sadvastu is anasha. Therefore, it has existence. Mind, what about you? You are neither sat, therefore you are not anashat sataha. That kind of astita you don't. And because you are asat, therefore you have no astita. So na sato vidyate bhavo, na bhavo vidyate sataha. That is referred here. Dvayam cha chetas tava nastita ishyate. In your case, you are not avinashi. Because your janma vinashi is known. And because your janma is there in the form of modifications, etc. And therefore you are really non-existent. Shloka meaning means the tika we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.